Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the bathtub with me. Well, we're not really here to take a bath though. We're here to get the stains out that we put in our own bathtub. This is a porcelain, this isn't a porcelain bathtub, this is like the plastic type bathtubs and things like that. But you know, my son put one of the rings that we actually have for our shower curtain, he set it down because it fell off. He set it down in the shower, it got wet, and of course the rings are made of metal, and it quickly left a rust stain on our tub, which is ugly. And so we're going to show you how to get that off today. Again, we're going to use something called the pink stuff, the Miracle Cleaning Paste. You can get this at Home Depot, you can order it online at Amazon, you can get it at Lowe's, you can get it at a bunch of different places. It comes in a paste, which is kind of nice because it's a little bit easier to work with, I think. It also comes in a spray bottle for different things as well now. And so we're going to show you how that you can remove the rust stains in your tub or sinks or other things like that with the pink stuff. So we did this with, like I said, like one of the shower curtain rings that's metal. So this is how this one happened, but I've also done this a couple times with shaving cream bottles because I shave my head in the shower. And I've done it with razors as well. Sometimes if you leave a razor sit too long or an old razor sit too long, they rust and they'll leave marks like this. And frankly, they look like they're in there really deep, right? And so, you know, we need to get those kind of removed. We're gonna use a Scrub Daddy for this job, and we're also gonna use the pink stuff, and we're gonna show you how we can quickly get this stain removed. So you're just gonna dab on a little bit of the pink stuff. You don't need a lot of it. I just kind of put it right on my Scrub Daddy, and then you're gonna start working it through a little bit, and get a little bit of water on there just to kind of work it in. And again, with the Scrub Daddy, depending on how warm or cold water you have, it depends on how stiff your Scrub Daddy is. So it does take some elbow grease. It's not gonna just be a miracle and kind of come off. It's gonna take a little bit of scrubbing to get into there. You can see I've scrubbed a little bit and it's starting to come off a little bit, but you can also leave it sit for a little bit on there. I don't know if it really helps a lot with the pink stuff to have it sit on there, but it certainly isn't going to hurt to leave it sit for 5 minutes before you kind of get into there. And you can see it's almost gone. And people use Barkeeper's Friend for some of this. You can use that type of thing as well, but you know, we found that the pink stuff works really well. It does not have a strong odor. I know that was one of the things that you guys asked, is like people who are really sensitive to smells and things like that. They're like, does it smell a lot? It does have a slight smell to it, so I'm not gonna lie that it does give you, it has a little of a bit of a smell to it, but it's not strong. So it's not gonna be one of those things where you put on there and you're like, oh my God, like if you spray shower cleaner or something like that and try to clean your shower where you're almost gagged and can't catch your breath. It's not that at all. It's very minor smell to it. So, and it says it's environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formulation, not tested on animals, and 100% natural ingredients. That's the pink stuff. So anyway, so you see, let me just get just get a little bit of a towel, damp. I'll show you what we have right now. Probably need to give a little bit more of scrubbing in some certain areas, like in this corner a little bit. I can see a tiny bit, but as you can see, it did a really nice job. So again, you can leave it sit a little bit. I have to do a little bit more in this corner. You can see, in that corner sometimes it's hard to get a good grip in there, but you can see once you got to get in there, pretty nicely done. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Super thanks is always welcome. I appreciate the coffee you guys have been buying me. I got a couple cups of coffee this last week, so appreciate that. And this is how you take rust out of any of your sinks, your tubs, pretty much anything that you have in your bathroom or your counters you can take out. Always test a small area first. Make sure you're not going to scratch your surface or something like that. This is a mild, cleaning paste. It's tough on stains, says it right there. But at the same time, you always want to test it a little bit to make sure, because all surfaces have a little bit of different reaction to different things that you're using. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks.